Hello, welcome to the daily message for this Thursday in the octave of Easter. As I was looking through the readings for today, my attention was drawn almost immediately to today's responsorial psalm. It is Psalm 8. It's one of my favorite psalms because it speaks about the glory of God, and it also speaks about the dignity of us, our dignity as human beings. So rather than listen to me today, I want to read Psalm 8 and ask you to reflect on it and reflect on what it says about our greatness, our dignity as being created in the very image of God. Psalm 8. O Lord, our Lord, how glorious is your name over all the earth. You have set your glory above the heavens. Out of the mouths of babes and infants you have founded a bulwark because of your foes, to silence the enemy and the avenger. When I look at your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars that you have set in place, what are human beings that you are mindful of them? Mortals that you care for them. Yet you have made them little less than a god and crowned them with glory and honor. You have given them dominion over the work of your hands, and you have put all things under their feet, all sheep and oxen, and also the beasts of the field, the birds of the air and the fish of the sea, whatever passes along the paths of the seas. O Lord, our Lord, how glorious is your name over all the earth. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great Thursday.